Hey y'all, so as promised, I'm here to show my very first wash day after I got my hair cut and straightened. Can y'all believe I actually lasted 3 whole weeks? Yeah, but I was so ready for a deep clean. Anyway, the last couple of days I had my hair in cornrows, gonna take them down. I was very interested to see how or even if my hair would revert back to its tightly coiled natural state. So I drenched with water, and to my surprise, almost immediately it pretty much went right back and curled up, which was a sigh of relief. Then I went in with this anti-dandruff shampoo because I was telling y'all I've been suffering from dry flaky scalp ever since I had my babies. So I decided to give this one a try. It was my first time using this shampoo. I worked it in really well with my hands initially. Then I took my scalp scrubber and basically went to town to get my scalp super clean. I thoroughly rinsed out the shampoo, and I like that it didn't leave my hair feeling stripped or dry. Then I took this conditioner, which is one of the products the lady at the salon recommended. I worked that all throughout, root to tip. I like to detangle in the shower, so I'm going to do that in 4 sections. I use these satin covered scrunchies to help hold my hair in place. Then I just took my paddle brush, starting from the ends and working my way up. But I mean, I didn't have to go far. My hair is super short now, which does come with benefits because my total time in the shower, my whole wash routine, was less than 8 minutes. You cannot beat that with a stick. Of course, after detangling, I rinsed out the conditioner and then I wrung out most of the excess water. And this is what my hair is looking like immediately afterwards. So now I'm taking this leave-in treatment. I used about a nickel-sized amount and applied all throughout my hair. Now from here, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I was absolutely unsure of what to do with my hair. All I knew is that I didn't want to use any heat, but I was at a standstill on how I was going to style it because this length can be a bit tricky. So I was playing around at first, trying to catch a vibe, and nothing was jumping out at me. I kept running into dead ends. I really wasn't feeling anything. So eventually I thought, how about finger coils? That might be cute. I did finger coils once years ago, but I haven't done them since. So I was like, why not give it a revisit? I put my hair back into those 4 sections to make it easier to work. To set the finger coils, I'm using this gel. I sectioned out a smaller piece of hair. Pull out about that much. I took a dab of gel and smoothed it on. Then twist that piece around my finger until it coils up like this. And I continued for another finger coil, but then I changed my mind. I felt like this was going to take forever. Plus, I didn't want to do all that work just to potentially end up looking like a porcupine in the end. So I abandoned that mission and decided to do a simple wash and go. Quick, easy, and if I don't like the results, I can easily pivot with it. So now I'm taking large portions of hair, smoothing on that same gel, then brushing through with my paddle brush to separate the curls and make them more defined. And I continued that all over until my entire head was done. Now again, while I was doing this, I wasn't too confident because my hair is already short, but when it dries, it shrinks up even more. And I haven't seen myself with hair that cropped since I did my big chop in 2010. I will say though that I really like this gel. It's another new product for me that I wanted to try out, and it seemed to work really well for definition. Didn't make my hair feel sticky or really crunchy, and it's alcohol free, which is a plus. All in all, this took me less than 15 minutes. I love how fast styling this length is. I then applied a little more gel around my edges and then brushed them back to get them smooth. I decided I wanted a side part to help with shaping, so I went ahead and did that. I tied down my edges so they would stay flat as my hair sets, and I left my hair like this, uncovered, to air dry. Y'all, no joke, I was on the edge of my seat wondering how I was going to feel at the end of this. So here I am about 5 hours later. My hair was, I would say, about 90% dry. There were still a few slightly damp areas, but I had things to do, so the show had to go on. I went through and teased my roots with this wide tooth comb to get more volume. And here I was considering maybe doing a fro hawk, but I felt like it was too short. I was not into it. So finally I was like, let me just keep it simple, wear it out and free. I used this edge control to shape my edges and kind of give my hair some flair. And then I basically teased it, fluffed it, played around with it with my hands until I ended up here. So this is my wash day hair update with my new length, y'all. It certainly is an adjustment seeing myself this short. And I even tried to see if I could get it all up into a high puff, but girl, we are not there yet, clearly. But yeah, products I used will be linked below. Y'all let me know what you think and what styles I should try next.